Looking to keep your patio warm and cozy during chilly evenings? In this video, we're diving into the top 5 best patio heaters that combine style, performance, and value. Whether you're hosting a party, enjoying family time, or relaxing solo, these heaters are perfect for extending your outdoor season. But before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Let's heat things up. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Cuisinart Portable Tabletop Patio Heater. The Cuisinart Portable Tabletop Patio Heater is a lightweight and portable option that can easily be moved between outdoor dining or entertaining spaces and covered indoor storage areas when not in use. The metal plate on top of the heating element works to evenly distribute heat around the unit. Some of the integrated safety features for this model include the burner screen guard and automatic shut-off technology to turn off the heater if it gets tipped onto its side. Just note that the heater's smaller and more portable design equates to a lower output and heating coverage area. This model has an output of just 11,000 BTUs and provides about 30 square feet of coverage, so it's best for those planning to stay around the table where it will be placed. Coming in at number 4 is the East Oak Torch Outdoor Patio Propane Gas Heater. If you need a powerful patio heater, then the 50 Zuzas BTU output of the East Oak Torch Outdoor Patio Propane Gas Heater might make it the optimal choice for you. This model can warm up areas with a diameter of up to 20 feet. It's fueled by propane and offers a one-touch ignition system and a dial to adjust the heat output between high and low or to turn the unit off. East Oak keeps safety in mind when designing this model. It features an automatic shut-off valve to stop the flow of propane in the event the flame is extinguished accidentally. Additionally, there are 3 anchoring arms to keep the heater in place and make sure it doesn't get bumped or blown over. This heater is made using durable stainless steel. The cover for the propane tank doubles as a table for holding the drinks and other items of those gathering around the heater. Moving on to our third pick, the ENER-G Plus Outdoor Electric Patio Heater. If you're looking for an electric heater, consider the ENER-G Plus Outdoor Electric Patio Heater. While it isn't as powerful as some of its propane counterparts, this is a sleek and stylish model that can add visual appeal to your outdoor space. It's a 500-watt unit that emits 5 at 100 BTUs. This model uses an infrared heater to emit radiant heat. According to Tom T.C. Rother, the manager of Lawn and Leisure, a business in Sterling, Virginia, that sells outdoor furniture and appliances, if you want heat, then infrared heating is the way to go. He adds that with these models, the wind doesn't blow the heat away. Instead, he likens the heating process to how the sun's rays warm objects in their path. This patio heater offers 3 different heat settings to help you adjust it to your exact comfort needs. This ENER-G Plus model offers a long 2-meter power cord to provide users with more flexible placement options. It also comes with a remote control that allows for the wireless operation of the unit. Number 2 on our list is our fourth pick is the Mr. Heater Tank Top Heater. Whether you're looking to save money or need a more portable option, the Mr. Heater Tank Top Heater might be the right fit for you. Retailing for just $130.15, this is the least expensive patio heater on our list. You can mount it to the top of a propane tank for quick and easy setup in your backyard. The simple design also makes it easy to use when away from the house, such as if you're camping, fishing, or tailgating. This patio heater emits up to 45,000 BTUs on the highest heat setting. It also offers medium and low settings, which emit 36,000 and 30,000 BTUs respectively. The burner head is adjustable and can tilt up to 180 degrees, helping you to position it in the most advantageous way to keep you warm. Once positioned, the 360-degree design emits heat from all angles to provide maximum coverage and warmth. A few other key features of this model include the push-button start, the tip-over safety switch, and the durable stainless steel construction. And finally, our number 1 pick is the Patio Heaters Stainless Steel Outdoor Patio Heater with Table. With its attractive design and high heat output, the Patio Heaters Stainless Steel Outdoor Patio Heater with Table earns the top spot on our list. This model emits up to 48,000 BTUs and can cover areas with a diameter between 10 and 15 feet. The heater is made from stainless steel, which is both durable and attractive. An access door keeps the propane tank hidden when the heater is in use, but makes it easy to swap out the tank for a new one when necessary. An adjustable table sits above the covered tank storage, offering a spot to place drinks and snacks while enjoying the heat the unit provides. Plus, the integrated wheels make it possible to easily move the heater to a different location in your outdoor space or to wheel it away to an indoor location for extended storage. And there you have it. The top 5 patio heaters to keep your outdoor space cozy all year round. Be sure to check the links in the description below for the latest prices and availability. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more top picks.